At dawn, the sea inhaled, holding its breath, while radios crackled with numbers nobody wanted to believe. Far offshore, a storm was rewriting records, turning forecasts into whispers of dread before landfall arrived that morning now. By nightfall, clouds stacked like mountains, waves rose into walls, and the air tasted metallic and sharp. Fishermen secured boats, families listened, and a name formed. Haiyan carrying fear across islands tonight, in silence together now. Meteorologists stared as wind speeds climbed beyond charts, beyond experience, beyond anything recorded. Satellites showed an eye perfectly carved, calm, and terrifying, spinning power across the Pacific like a blade sharpening itself slowly toward landfall now. On islands ahead, morning routines continued, prayers whispered, phones buzzed, uncertainty hung heavy. Schools closed, markets emptied, and families waited as the horizon darkened unnaturally fast with winds beginning to murmur warnings through palms everywhere tonight.
I remember the sound first, not wind, but pressure, like the sky pressing down. Windows shuddered, children cried, and we counted seconds between breaths together as roofs began to scream overhead without mercy tonight anywhere near. When Haiyan arrived, darkness fell at noon, rain stung sideways, and streets vanished. We clung to doorframes, listening to roofs peel, feeling the world tear apart while waves surged where roads once lived outside our homes.
Measured winds surpassed 300 kilometers per hour, a threshold science rarely crosses. Storm surge rose like a moving wall, swallowing coastlines in minutes faster than alarms, faster than escape paths families knew by heart then. Cameras failed, instruments snapped, but stories carried on through shouting winds. In Tacloban, water rushed inland, lifting cars, homes, lives into chaos as sirens drowned beneath roaring surf and night swallowed daylight whole without warning signs. Hours later, the eye passed, leaving a stunned silence and ruin. Where neighborhoods stood, debris floated. Where laughter lived, only wind answered as rescue lights flickered across broken streets, searching for names and hope through endless rain. The numbers emerged slowly. Thousands lost, millions displaced, a nation grieving. Yet amid wreckage, hands reached out, sharing water, lifting strangers together, proving resilience rises when everything else falls after the strongest storm ever recorded there.
Days after, I walked streets renamed by absence, counting faces I loved. But kindness echoed louder than wind, rebuilding courage piece by piece as aid arrived, stories shared, and dawn returned to islands scarred yet standing. Haiyan changed me, teaching scale, humility, and the price of warming seas. Remember us when records break again, and preparation becomes survival, because storms remember coastlines we forget until tragedy teaches lessons too late, sometimes sadly.
Science now watches oceans warming, fuels accumulating, risks compounding. Haiyan stands as a warning bell, loud, undeniable, demanding readiness for communities, leaders, and systems protecting lives before winds rewrite our future again without mercy or pause. This storm was stronger than anything recorded, but people proved stronger still. From loss came resolve, from fear came action, from memory came change, if we listen, plan, and protect together, starting now, everywhere for tomorrow. Honor survivors, support preparedness, and share this story to save lives. Like, subscribe, comment, and stay aware together before storms return.